9 plus 1 parenthesis 11 to the power of 2 divided by 11. 9 plus 1 will give us 10. Then we have 10 parenthesis 11 to the power of 2 divided by 11. In our parentheses, 11 to the power of 2 is 11 times 11. 11 times 11 will give us 121, which is 121. 121 divided by 11. Then we'll put our 10 here. We are seeing our parentheses. 121 divided by 11 will give us 11. Then we have 10 times 11. 10 times 11 will give us 110. 110 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let's solve the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our parentheses. And in our parentheses, we have an exponent, which is 11 to the power of 2. 11 to the power of 2 is 11 times 11. 11 times 11 will give us 121, which is 121. 121 divided by 11. Then we put down our 9 plus 1. Then we are seeing our parentheses. 121 divided by 11 will give us 11. Then we have 9 plus 1 times 11. Now we have an addition and a multiplication. We are going to work with our multiplication first because it comes first before addition. Our multiplication is 1 times 11. 1 times 11 is still 11. Then we have 9 plus 11. 9 plus 11 will give us 20. 20 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.